S to the K. Yeah. Then you zig to the left, then you zig to the right. Then you zig to the left, then you zig to the right. Yeah. It's so easy to do. Once you get in the mood, you keep on doing it.
First story in News and Views. Woman sets malfunctioning vending machine on fire.
Oh, welcome to the drinking experience. For desired drink, select your choice after inserting cash.
No. Mitzi, what you want from the machine? Hold on, Mitzi, let me size it out. Let me see them have boom, them have Sprite, them have water, them, what is? What is? Mitzi, come here, you know that name here?
We are awaiting. For desired drink, kindly press your choice after inserting.
I want that dirty machine right now, wait, let me see, yeah. And then, okay, let me see. Mr. Tartan, what you want? Coca-Cola?
Select your Coca-Cola. You have selected Coca-Cola.
Alright, hold on the machine, make a rush, sir. Bigger.
You have also selected bigger. Kindly insert $200 for both drinks.
Mitzi, have change coming out, no. Thank you, my friend.
The machine is waiting.
I want that dirty machine. Me tell it bad things in it. Can't wait. It I go like it thirsty more than we.
Dirty like your father.
What the? No, man. What?
Here is your bigger. You did not order a Coca-Cola.
So this a machine I tell me about Coca-Cola. No, me can't see no Coca-Cola.
Here is look to the base of the machine.
Hold on, that Mitzi. Hold on.
Woman, why are you kicking me? You want me?
Look how long I put in my money and the Coca-Cola. Now come out. I want to do that dirty machine I do. I wonder if it knows that Jamaica I come from, I'm not really nice. That's why I'm not use them something. I'm like my igloo on the roadside, you know. Because when you go igloo, not talk to you. You just take out what you take out and pay. Dirty machine, Lego me juice.
No wonder.
Dirty machine, Mr. Lego me juice.
No wonder Mugabe.
You know, say it go on till it go on till me just do something very detrimental.
Hey, gal, draw me out and see what I got.
I wanted that dirty machine. I wonder if it want me get instrument. Pizza, what the word we just used a while ago.
You have no manners. I kick me, I go kick you in your face.
I wanted that dirty machine, man.
Dirty
Mitzi,
like your
Mitzi,
papa.
lend me a lighter there, Mitzi. Lend me a lighter there.
Hey, gal, burn me down and see what
I bet you are going to sort out your sorrows to the
Sort
dirty
me out
machine.
and see what
I bet
go
you are
in
going to end up take the juice when they are out your body, you're out of the stink and bright dirty machine.
Coca-Cola.
That's why I can't come here with no Jamaica. I can't take it back. I don't want it. All this on your nastiness.
There is no refund.
Mitzi, run, Mitzi,
You
run.
cannot.
It start,
What?
Mitzi, run.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire. Fire.
Burn up nastiness.
Fire.
Burn up and
Smaddy,
kick the
I
juice
burn
them
me
now.
down. Me that on fire. Fire. Aye, it hot. Aye, it hot. Me I burn up. Kiss me neck. Me juice them. I burn up too. Fire. Fire.
S to the K. Yeah. Then you zig to the left, then you zig to the right. Then you zig to the left, then you zig to